I'm Dr. Hanson. What is it?
No. I'm looking for Eleanor Hanson. You're Dr. Hanson? I mean, say you're her husband then.
What's up?
I'm just about to go work a while ago and a policeman come here looking for you.
Police? The last time I checked, I'm a therapist. I have no business with the police.
What you doing? What you doing, Dr. Hanson?
All you needed to do was to just humble yourself in the therapy session.
I hate to be the one to break it to you, But one monkey don't stop the show,
Daddy, I am telling you, something is not right with this lady. Like, she was even smiling through the conversation. Like, it was creepy.
I'm investigating a suicide. So, you are obligated to tell me anything that you know.
I know your mother normally give you those ridiculous haircut where like drunk or draw bricks in your head. Them pitchy patchy cut there. I know. But look, you gotta get a decent haircut.
Remember, I'm a husband and not a patient, alright?
So I want you to bear in mind that this is a no judgment zone.
So, Miss Chelsea, I don't mean to be inquisitive, but do you feel threatened in any way at home?
I don't know if you really listen to some of the things of that she has said. Instead of she sound like she neutral and I try to give her some content. She sound like she want to pick side.
Did I talk to Daddy and myself if we try therapy?
There's nothing you can do, and I don't want you to feel sorry. I don't want you to blame yourself. Just know it has already happened and things can only get better from here.
Daddy, I don't understand. I don't understand. I live the old Christian day good. I don't understand this. All them people tell me saying I want heart attack, Daddy.
Doctor, doctor,